Huh?
Kill him, dude!
I don't see. Yeah, I don't see anyone. Like...
Huh?
Yeah,
30 seconds left.
Oh, no.
Where'd he go?
Last one's long. Nice.
You're nuts, dude! Let's go!
Come to me!
Let's go!
Insane.
I have transcended beyond human capabilities.
I need help.
There you go.
Uh-oh.
Enemy remaining.
I healed at 92
Got
health. I just popped heal at 92
got
health,
bomb.
dude.
Out of showers.
Where is he?
I'm a safe.
Nice.
Great.
Sorry, dude. You know I shoot through smokes.
That's how you defend Dom.
What, now you just care about Dom? You don't care about me anymore, Jordan? Wow.
You listen here, Jordan.
Alright,
You
well,
listen here, Jordan. No, everybody,
Ball.
you have to let me do this. Jordan,
about it.
you meet me right now at the fountain, right now.
Fountain. Okay.
Fountain on C on B long. Everybody, let us do this.
Wait, I want to
If you see Phoenix,
I want
he's
to
not coming
spectate this.
for you.
Found the fight.
What is going on?
Let's go.
I'm taking him out right now.
I'm coming to spectate.
Okay.
Ooh.
Nice fight.
Oh,
Rip.
business as usual.
Dom, you got shit on.
Okay, no.
No
I'm waiting for
issue.
you guys.
He got
Not
me,
doing that.
no problem.
Uh.
Wait for the clap.
I actually jumped from that knife because I heard the knife before I died. I was like, what the fuck?
I got scared because you moved right before I did it. And I was like, he's onto me.
One mid.
Raise and breach.
Taking the long way.
Benefits of being a streamer, I swear.
You got this, Phoenix. I believe in you, buddy. Phoenix? Phoenix?
I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened.
Last player standing.
Oh my god.
King,
King, knife.
you got this.
Thanks,
There we
Casey.
go.
I'll do
Thank
what
you
you
for
should have done a
redeeming me.
long time ago, buddy.
Go a hard AF, like so hard.
I am
like you remember
hardest.
prom night? That hard.
I don't think we have the same prom experience.
3-1.
Stay safe.
Well, then go harder. Then I mean it. Literally get in there.
Bird, getting in. Oh, I'm so bad. Oh, God.
Enemy spot.
Yeah, you guys did not go hard like prom. I went hard like prom and I died, but
This
you
is
guys
not
did not go
prom.
hard like prom. I'm just saying.
This is picture day, y'all.
First day back.
Oh, do we not have somebody? Oh! I heard Omen.
That's our Omen TP.
I'm
I
playing thing.
literally checked my map as he peeked me.
King.
He might be elbow.
He's hookah and then
I'm watching
elbow.
CT.
Hookah and elbow. CT. You gotta watch hookah, dog.
Elbow.
Do you have flash? He pushed up left side. Blue star.
One enemy remaining.
Nice. Last one's hookah. He has
Last
scout.
one, hookah.
You don't have to peek.
Just don't die.
You're both low.
Wait for time. The panic wall.
I'm sorry.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice. Nice.
Good shit.
Look at all
Oh,
those
it's a
facts,
bulldog.
dude.
Yeah, I'd rather. have
Dom,
a
did you get scared when I headshot you through that wall?
A little bit, yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna be honest. I got scared when you headshotted him through that wall.
I had 4 HP.
I peed a little.
And no way to heal myself.
You know your molly heals you, right?
I already used it.
I know. I'm just
Pure
trolling.
wall. It was pure luck.
So I was aiming like far from that corner because I
I
heard her
don't
full sprinting,
particularly
right? So I was aiming like pretty
want to go
decently
away.
far, and she ran directly into my crosshair, which is kind of what I wanted. A lot of the times people when they aim at corners, they aim like too close. So like if I'm gonna expect somebody to come around this corner, they'll aim like that close, and it's like you're gonna have to click
Going
either
around.
to like correct for that. So you just like aim like right here, especially if you see somebody full sprint, they're probably gonna swing around it.
Yeah,
Right?
go lurk.
Jordan, we know
Well, we
that's
should
you
do
with the
something.
Marshall, okay?
Hey,
don't
hey,
know me.
everybody push out at the same time if he's heaven.
I smoked it.
Or just
You're an
smoke
idiot.
it. That actually works a lot better.
Smokes don't stop.
Yeah, let's see it.
Unavoidable.
Planning.
I think there's
Oh!
one CT.
Omen's lit
No.
for 134. Omen's lit for 134.
They're all around the place.
You know where bomb is?
You got this.
Good stuff.
I got worried because I made a noise when I stepped. Fuck.
Oh! Right on
loser.
the edge.
Yeah, I made a noise when I stepped, and I was like, he heard me, because like whenever I do anything around Travis, I think he's gonna murder me.
No. No. I headshot him too.
I'll smoke Kevin. I'll smoke Kevin. You have bomb.
Don't go there with a spike.
Hold up.
Chief.
No, I'm so sorry. I wanted him dead so
I
bad.
know
I'm
you
so
did, but you just lost us this
I'm
round.
so sorry. I wanted it. I'm so sorry.
Enemy
Jordan's on
remaining.
site. You have 2 blinds. You have another one.
Get out of my way.
Just stall
So,
it up.
He's behind you.
behind you.
You got it. You're good.
Almost. Did he
Unless-
get it?
Yeah, I think he's got
It's
it.
gonna be close.
Oh.
No.
No!
Oh,
God!
shit, dude. Oh my gosh.
Hacks.
Must feel bad, huh?
Hey, Casey.
Yeah, let's
Casey,
go.
Isn't it kind of crazy that they're still together after all the crap they've been through?
Who?
Your cheeks.
Hate you.
That was good.
Can't right now, but later, yes. All
I
good.
like you. I like you, Don.
I like him too.
Call me Dawn with an N.
Yes.
Oh
back over here,
no,
Travis, I'm
you
sorry.
ruined
You
it.
a Fortnite
You
gamer?
ruined it. Waffles, if you want to play against me,
It's
you're
okay. I
welcome
used to have to take the cab to work because I didn't have like a good bank account to do Uber, and for the longest time they thought my name was Dumb. So
We thought your name was Dumb. Is this the same place?
the taxi place didn't.
Oh, okay.
My name was Dumb.
That's hilarious.
What's up,
And then
Dumb? How's it
finally
going? Funny.
One of them was like, "In the company phone, your name's Dumb. Is that correct?" I was like, "No, it's Dom." And they were like, "We thought you were from like a different country or something." Like,
There's one backside.
One enemy remaining.
Give him a chance.
Oh god, dude, I accidentally hit my
Oh,
camera. I fat fingered my
oh.
camera when I was trying to drop down.
Ooh, that
Oh.
hurt.
Nice try.
Can't have
Nice
that
try, bro.
at all.
You got
Can't say
lucky I
that.
fat fingered my
Insane if you
camera,
pulled
dude,
that
because I
off.
would have wrecked you. Holy shit.
Nah, I just
Uh.
no scoped you.
A lot of action at mid. I don't see anything today, so.
Cage triggered. Buried.
Sorry I had to do him like that, dude.
Watch mid. Oh, maybe you should come with me.
Foolish.
That was dirty. That was dirty, King.
People don't want to give Kinky a good PC so he'll lose his full potential. I don't know about that. Maybe.
Last player standing.
You know what Kefri
did
calls
the-
that? You know what Kefri calls that? Jet roulette, dude.
How the hell does excuse me? A right click from that close? And it only
You
hits
were
you?
literally 2 feet away from her, dude.
Race, you kind of body blocking me right now.
Cage triggered. Delete.
Casey, knock it off.
Casey.
I'm pushing through. Oh, I can heal. Hey, wait for me.
She just
Oh,
tried to
thank
spot.
God. You trying to knife me?
On heaven.
They're somewhere, dude.
If you stay all the way back, you can kill them from here. Whoa, dude, holy. My health just got. Just don't peek it.
He's ignited.
Oh, grenade.
Behind us,
One
behind
behind
us,
us.
garage.
Someone's behind.
Enemy spotted.
Star removed. Cage triggered.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Casey.
No!
No.
I hate you. Dude, anytime I get to kill Dom, though, that is kind of fun.
No, it's not.
Here, I think on site. I think on.
Knock knock.
Oh, you knifed him. I think on
Cage
site.
triggered.
On site, yeah, below. He's under. Are you TP'd?
Yeah,
This side,
Omen's
this
on
side.
site. Nice shot.
One enemy remaining.
Hiding.
Where you at, bitch?
She's coming CT or heaven.
Oh,
She's heaven.
what? I dinked you. That's not fair.
Whoa, you just stole my kill. Nice blind.
Free.
One
I
still on
push
stage.
it.
Behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you. Omen's behind you and Sage is on site.
One enemy remaining.
Last one behind you
Holy
guys.
bro. Ace question mark? Go and plant Omen. Omen plant. Omen.
Thirty
These
seconds
tunnels.
left.
If he's the one who killed Raze, he's definitely gonna be middle. But
He's tunnels.
oh yeah,
next
he's
to me,
in the
right next to me.
garage.
Don't kill him. I need him.
God damn
I
it.
need it.
I want the knife home.
Just ace, ace, ace.
He just teleported.
Yeah, let's go.
There you go.
Yeah, if you're struggling or if you're in a rut, make sure that you're practicing every day, and just also recognize that like it's okay. Like stuff like this happens. People will have like bad weeks, or bad days, bad weeks. Sometimes people even have bad months probably, but it's just like just make sure you're practicing every day. You don't improve by not practicing. If you are looking to improve at this, right? That's basically all you can do though.
Star removed.
Nice.
Interesting you, Silva.
No more charges
You-
left.
You broke my cam, you bitch.
Put down.
Reyna's low. Yeah, Reyna's hit. Or at least.
Hey, yo, Turk, can you calm down a little bit? You know, stop styling on me
One
so hard.
enemy remaining.
Yeah, this is kind of a stomp.
Oh no.
I need you to tread lightly instead of stomping all over us, okay?
Blink.
That's what I do whenever breaches or brimstones run near me in this game. I go clonk 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 clonk. That's what it sounds like. Okay, I'm gonna play super aggro here long. I drop traps for you guys, so maybe it'll slow them down a little bit, but don't expect much from me, okay?
Foolish.
Why are you pushing up?
Cage triggered.
He's so mad.
Casey.
He's in my trap.
I'm double
In garage.
peeking.
Caught one.
One enemy remaining.
Nice. Raze is I think it's long. I'm not
Grass,
sure.
grass, grass, grass.
I'm coming for you, baby. Coming for you, baby. Oh gosh.
No way. There's two there at least. One left, one right.
Delete.
Okay.
Last player standing.
Headshot. Three.
You
out
saw
of
one more.
5.
Sage was like left side.
30 seconds left.
My eyes are down. Cage triggered.
Aw.
Cage triggered.
I hit you for 177. Oh my
Dude,
god, I
don't know.
hate
Listen,
you.
I don't know. I just flicked and shot and you died.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Okay, see, knife fight.
Knife fight. Okay.
See long. Yeah, see long.
Just you and I, or
Yo,
is it,
I'm
like,
down
are we
for
getting
a
other
knife
people
fight.
there, or what's going on?
I mean, other people can join.
Wait,
If
what?
you survive, if you
I'm coming.
survive, I'll come in. I'm waiting in line.
No.
So it's a breaching? Yeah.
There's like a fight club going on over here. Okay. Okay. Oh.
Nice.
Oh no.